watching in the closet.
That's hilarious.
Where is that? Badger! Ah! I need you now!
Time has come.
So, what
And
is?
the trees are
Goodness, all of you caught all of them.
What is?
and the wild mountain thyme goes around the blooming heather. We
Got it.
together to pull wild mountain thyme all around the blooming heather.
Oh, it's perfect. Now I got a roof. I'll let you know when we do it.
By the cool crystal fountain, and round it I will climb. All around the falls of the mountain, will you go? I see.
The little camping vlog you guys made the last time you went camping was so fun.
It was good.
I watched it like 3 times. I was like, this looks like such a grand time.
It was a great
The one you
time.
have of Harlow like holding it was so funny.
That place was cool because there was the Bob Orr Museum, so it was like the hockey rink. That was so fun.
That looked cool.
Maybe you're right.
It's great content.
Good content as you pass out, or?
Oh, it's not open right now. We come in on this side. Okay, I think that's good. I think that's fine. That's probably good. Zipper. Ooh. Hello.
It's cozy. Cozy wozy.
Harlow, do you want to see Auntie's pillow?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ready? 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 Stand over here. We're gonna show a reveal to the camera. Ready? And huzzah! It's Gandalf!
Gandalf?
Gandalf!
The gray?
The gray and a bit battered because of certain puppies. But that's okay. Gandalf always perseveres. There we go. Okay. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty comfy.
Ooh. Ooh, look it.
You just pressing it in? Is it nice and in the ground?
Yep.
High five. Nice. All right, Harley, you see that gray bag right there?
What kind?
Right there, on the ground. Do you know what that is?
Unicorn tent?
It is a unicorn tent.
Spider!
Oh dear.
Oh, you're outside.
You just go. No,
Wait,
thank
this
you.
for me?
Yeah, it's for you. You want to go set it up? We can set it up over there.
Mommy! Okay.
Oh, this is perfect.
There's something else in.
What else is in there?
I see. Oh, just that.
You're gonna go. Oh, you're putting your bag in there. Oh, yeah. There you go. Why don't you go inside?
I'll put it right there.
Oh, very cute.
I need to get bug spray on.
Oh yeah, good idea.
I know I can probably go in there. What else can I put in it? No, Bubba, I always want to snuggle with Bubba. So what
Hi,
else?
Bubba.
Look at Auntie. They found her mom.
You found her?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
But first we need the rainbow. Here's the rainbow.
Oh,
Here's the rainbow.
that's a very beautiful rainbow.
Okay, what's next? The Healers are on a camping trip. Bluey wants to build a stick house with Bingo, but Mom has other plans. Bingo's coming with me, Mom says. She hasn't had a bath in 3 days. So off Bluey goes to the creek alone. We can plant this seed like farmers. This will grow into a big tree with fruit on it.
Nothing, buddy. Where'd you get the sweater from?
That was from her
It's for my
birthday.
birthday. Is that?
Cool sweater. How it zips up.
Yeah, she got that one and she got an orange one.
Oh.
Yeah, I even have a hoodie.
Mm-hmm.
You and you.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Alrighty. Okay. Ooh, hair is looking interesting. Well, good morning, guys, and welcome officially to the camping vlog. Good morning, Baba. Wait, I'm just lowering the brightness on this. Debbie, good morning. Hi, buddy. Yeah, it's a beautiful morning. It's a bit of a soggy one. It's a little wet. Yeah. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi. You know, campsite? There we go. Tent. Dining tent. Chairs. Get a chase set. Harlow. Ooh, focus.
Look at my pants, they're green.
You got green pants? I got Mickey Mouse pants on.
Mickey Mouse.
Well, that's where my pajamas are. Mickey Mouse.
Really?
And then there's Harlow's little unicorn tent over there. The weird thing is that it's so freezing cold right now. But I think it's gonna get up to like 30 today. You wanna say hi to the camping vlog? No.
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 You don't want to say hi to the camping vlog?
No.
It's gonna be a good day. I think right now though, we're gonna put our shoes on and maybe go to the bathroom. Do you gotta go bathroom?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna put my shoes on and we're gonna go to the bathroom and then we're gonna get the day started.
Go ahead, it's open now.
Hello, are you able to help get Bubba some food?
No.
Try nuts and eggs.
Ah, I'm going. Well, I have an egg. I am watching you, Mr. Dowski.
I'm watching you, Mike Wazowski, huh?
Yeah. I'm watching you, Dowski. It was the bus baby ride. Ooh, hot, hot.
Yeah, good call getting 2 egg things. We needed that.
Okay.
Yum. Yum. Oh. Time to munch. Okay, I feel like I have not chatted to the camera at all since getting to campgrounds. Anyways, official, again, hello, welcome to the camp vlogs. We are camping at Port Burwell this weekend. It was really freaking cold this morning when we woke up. I think it was probably like 15 degrees or something like that. It was very dewy and misty and cold, but now it's really heating up and I might have to change into a tank top because I think it's supposed to get up to like 30 something degrees today. But yeah, it is the last weekend of July, which is super fun, and I can't believe the summer's already over. But yeah, something a little different going for camping vlog adventures. You know, just a cozy, hang, chill, relaxing camping vlog is the day. We're sitting outside the bathrooms right now, where everyone goes to the washroom before we pack our stuff up and head on over to the beach for a beach day, which I'm excited for. But yeah, it's gonna be a good time, and I'm excited to get to camping, you know, for the memories and all that good stuff. And then I will be back to craft vlogs. Craft videos are coming. I got 2 projects planned, so they're coming. We're just enjoying the summer while it's here. Hi, Bubba. Hey, handsome man. Handsome boy. Ooh. Too slippery? Dang it. Gonna climb up there. That one's a bumpy one, isn't it?
We should have. Sorry, but I'm coming up.
Alright, beach vlog commence. I'm gonna leave the beach filming to you because you have a GoPro. At the doggy beach section, and we're gonna switch over to GoPro cam and get the beach party started.
Like you're a friend of mine. Screen lights up when you come online. You ain't looking for a savior. Yeah, you know what you feel. Show me all your good behavior. It's all very well now, it's all very good. It's fun to pretend and we probably should.
Here, do you want to hold the camera?
When I get up,
You gotta hold it.
lights come on.
Hold this.
So take a good
Ready?
look.
1, 2, 3.
Picture, baby, if you wanna last long. Time good high.
There we go.
I'm like, I feel like my body.
Caroline, don't cry, baby, it's no concern. Oh, touch and go is what I know, but I can learn. I don't wanna cause trouble. I got a real nice attitude. I won't fuss, I won't struggle. It's all very well now, it's all very good. It's fun to pretend and we probably should.
So, Kaylin and Shay and Harlow, or Harlow and Shay, have gone for a walk to the park and to play at the park. Kaylin's got Pokemon going, and I'm sitting here with Sebastian, keeping an eye on the camp because he is just real stiff and tired, and chair broke, which is, you know, great. The back doesn't stay on. But yeah, we're just having the kind of like a really chill and quiet afternoon, which is why I haven't really vlogged a whole lot of stuff. And also, like, I want to be able to document this camping trip, but also just like enjoy it and just like hang out and chill. So I am sitting here right now reading the first Harry Potter book because I randomly thought, I'm like, I haven't read these books since I was in high school, and like even then it was like grade 11, so it's been close to 10 years. I think it's been like 8 years since I've read them, and I just felt like reading them again. So I've just been sitting here reading. My phone has been in my tent, or like my bag, almost the entire weekend so far. I only turned it on twice because I've just turned it fully off, and it's been really nice kind of being so disconnected a little bit. It's kind of nice, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, the beach was lovely. It was super hot, and the sun is really hot. I got a little sunburnt on my shoulder. Let's see if I can show you. Very precariously balanced. My shoulder is sunburnt. Ironically enough, it is not sunburnt. Can you see it? Oh yeah, you can see it a little bit. Ironically enough, I didn't get it sunburnt whilst at the beach. I was very sunscreened. And even afterwards I had sunscreen. It was from when I was sitting there reading my book, my left shoulder was in the sun. So it's a little red, which I'm not thrilled about. I hope you've enjoyed this vlog so far. It's been very chill, very relaxing, and maybe a little sporadic. I didn't really plan much of this. It was a very impromptu decision to vlog this. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna get back to my book. And yeah, enjoy some relaxing B-roll.
You're going on so many boats that you haven't been on. But I've been on this one. You don't get on.
You go, bubbles, they're my bubbles.
Oh, look at the bubbles.
There we go. Oh, wow, very good. Okay, cool. Ui. Whoa. These marshmallows a bit, it's all funky shaped.
Little spins.
How's that s'more, Heartlow? Tastes good. A big bite. Whoa, wait, oh, I see green.
Yep, I see it. I see the green. I see green,
Here.
blue, and your orange.
Yeah? Oh. Puffing it up a little bit more.
Door, buddy. 10:23.
Going to bed. Good night. Abby? Oh, hello. I heard you booping at the door. I heard you booping at the door. I don't think you'll fit in here, mate. Oh, God, that's cold. Hey. Oh, sorry. Hey. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do it.
Let's take a ride. I've got the perfect place in mind. We've got enough.
Swear, I want my hand.
You're what? This thing? Hey. Oh gosh. Okay. Well, that brings a conclusion to Port Burwell. So long, campground.
Bye, baby. Bye, baby.
Heading home. Alright, over down. Ready to say bye to the vlog?
Bye.
Bye!
See you later.
Who cares if we're a little late again? On to Niagara.
R.I.P. to the lawn chair.
You won't really be missed.
No.
We'll get a bigger, better one.
Yeah.